Alright, here we got service elevators at the Ballast in Wilmington. This one's a series 1 and appears to be added, but we also got this one, and look what kind it is. The main one's got a slap-on mod with series 2, but look, this one's original. It's a Lexan. Oh wow. Look at this cab. Otis interlock. Up to 9. Look at this. I love the door hum this thing has. Here's your call station. This is a huge cab. It's definitely beat up, but this thing is still awesome and runs great. Let's listen to the door operator hum. All right, down to G. Hear the relays clicking. Installed in 1970. Here's a look at your fixtures. Got some original first generation Lexan fixture, just judging by the surface mounted call station. And this indicator, obviously, it still has the vandal resistant indicator. Here's a view of the cab. Just your beat up old service elevator cab. Hospital size, but let me tell you, this thing's still amazing. Back up to 9. But yeah, just look at these buttons. Mom's probably calling, so I'm gonna... And I'm gonna end the video on 3. £4,000 capacity. On 3. Huh, strange 3 never went out. Oh no, not where I want to be. Got it just in time. Not where I want to be. It went down to the lobby. Here we are on 3. Otis Cedo. And there it goes. That's gonna be it.